Hello everyone. It's officially Thursday and we're on our first official Sedona ride. I hit up some of the trails yesterday behind the house near the bike shop, and it was a rude awakening in clothes and no gloves. But we're here in Sedona, we got the gang. And we're about to have the views. Epic. So epic. And we're on another bridge. Looks like there's a trail down there. It looks dope. I'm wondering if we can go and try and ride some of that. Looks like we found ourselves on the Templeton Trail. So I cross the street and it goes under the bridge. Are you guys going on that side? Yeah, we know where it goes. All right, I'm gonna go under and try to meet him. Go!
It's fucking in my face.
No, girl.
Look at it. Look, it's in my fucking face. Little bastard.
Hello again. Everybody's chilling at home, watching some TV, so I thought I would get out on a solo recon mountain bike ride. I'm on the Anthem now. I really wanted to hit some of these trails behind the house on the mountain bike. Get familiar, because I'm gonna take everybody out on mountain bikes on Saturday. We're getting Aaron on a Trans Pro Advanced. Ty and Madison are gonna rent some mountain bikes possibly, so it'll be fun. I wanna get familiar with my surroundings. This is gorgeous. Oh man, straight up backyard. Outstanding. It's amazing how fast I got back down to Ridge. 0.5 miles. It was fast and I was on the brakes. So I'm back on Ridge. This is what I rode yesterday on the gravel bike. I'm gonna give you a little taste of what it's all about. I missed this turn right here, and I'm supposed to go this way. Man, these are the kind of climbs that you don't go fast up, and you just kind of go slow and stabilize your way up. Really getting a workout here. I like it. Short and sweet. Woo! It's loose. Oh, I did this on the gravel bike yesterday. Woo! All right, old post. Kind of want to go this way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh. This is beautiful. Under 5 miles in, about 800 feet in. I just finished Herkenham, which is an intermediate trail. I'm gonna take Skywalker, which is I believe a beginner or intermediate, and see if it takes me along back over to the houses instead of taking the road here. I came out at Sedona Red Rock High School, and it's on Upper Red Rock Loop Road. That was epic. Hands down so far, favorite trail is Skywalker. I'll check and make sure. I think it's intermediate, but it seems beginner intermediate. Some of the climbs are difficult with the rock step-ups, but I made my way back to Old Post, and I'm gonna hit the slalom that I hit yesterday, and that's gonna take me back into the neighborhood. Oh no, it's gnarly. My tires are pretty low right now, so I'm able to like kind of bounce around. Ride 3, just under 3 miles in. We came up Thunder Mountain to watch the sunset. Officially seen the sunrise this morning. I woke up at 5 without an alarm. Grateful, and I'm grateful to see the sun go down with my lady. Solid day. Good job. There should be a right turn soon. Oh damn, this is fucking gnarly. We made it. That's what I'm talking about. You sure you still want to marry me?